Love these things. Love these things. Like, can you eat it?
Yeah.
Is it hot?
These are these are better than the ones at Kitchen 88.
They are. These only have lemon.
What in the world?
We're digging in.
I'm gonna try a clam. I'm gonna try an opened one.
What is this? Is this the? What is this?
Brazilian lemonade.
Oh,
Did they not open?
No.
Oh, I
You
thought.
open them yourself.
Oh no, yeah, dude.
I mean, it opens a little bit.
Dang, how do you open this? How do you open it, Peppa? Patience, how do you open it? How do you
have pearls in it?
Pearls, no.
What has pearls in it?
Clams is where pearls come from, but I'm pretty sure those ain't got no.
How do you open this thing?
You slam it on a rock. This one,
Was that the butter?
Mm-hmm.
I might need more, okay?
Why is someone putting your purple?
I'm just gonna check first.
I don't know how you open it, Ricky.
I found one.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
You can extend it?
Yeah. Scott, you want some butter?
Sure.
I don't like it.
You don't like the butter?
The clam. You like it, Rissa? You can have it. Oh, where's the crab? I want a claw. Where's the claws?
Do y'all know where the bubble straws are? Yeah, boy. Those
What is
are
this?
not.
What is this?
But I'm
It-
pretty sure those
butter.
are supposed to
Butter with seasoning in it to dip your
open.
stuff in. What in? Hey, oh, all
Hi.
the seafood. All the seafood. Mm. Probably Grandpa.
There's some somewhere. Whenever I can find.
I'm finna go grab my
I
chopsticks.
told you I already had one open.
Son?
You having one?
I guess so. What in the...
It tastes weird.
A little weird. Not weird, but a little weird.
What do you eat? It looks disgusting.
Look at these. This is best day ever.
I know.
Not the best day ever.
Look at this. What part of it do you eat?
The meat.
Okay, what is the meat? Is this the meat?
Yeah.
Why is it so bubbly?